Gary,
Nah.
leave these people alone.
Listen, man, he dissed me
Leave
because I
these
worked
people
at Home
alone.
Depot, bro.
Welcome back.
To another episode of Home Depot.
Oh my God, Gary, you can't do that.
All right.
Welcome back to another episode of Daily Transmission. We got Gary.
What? The what?
Just, you gotta say something yourself.
Something positive?
Let's just keep going.
Yeah, have some self-respect.
I'm Gary, the man with the most reliable RV motor ever made.
And we got Dan, the man with the plan.
Okay.
Who are you?
What do we got her?
What do you mean? You're supposed to be standing with your man.
I'm at Trevor Battles. That's who I am.
He snuck through one
And
of the shadows.
this is
So-
the homie Otis at Auto Glass Otis.
Oh, damn, you
As
got-
you can tell,
He got his own
brought the
hype man.
S15 out today. Come to tear it up, go full send at the burn yard. Let's get it.
Are you, what's his name?
Class and a Ric Flair.
Oh.
Woo!
Very much quieter, but also strongly evocative.
So just pretty much, I got a basic SR with two 58 cams, 1200cc injectors, got 1.7 bar boost, and that's pretty much it.
So, I mean, pretty,
Basic.
yeah, pretty.
I got a CD09.
Okay. Well,
CD09?
It's basic.
It's a pretty basic setup, pretty, like, I don't want to say cookie cutter.
Even you
What's
could
this?
have this.
What's
this?
Anyone
It's,
can do this.
what's that
Whoa.
spring for? On
That's-
your little oil
you know
kit?
what? I had this thing was popping out on the dyno, but when I added the second catch can in the back, that stopped. But I just put that in.
Oh, so you were building up so much crankcase pressure that
popping
it was
out.
just shooting
Yeah.
the
So I
dipstick
just
out.
went ahead and
Which one's your
put that
car?
there. Yeah, Koji's my boy. You know that.
So what do you got for suspension?
Suspension, I got all Part Shop Max, everything, coilovers, they hooked me up, they came through, even when I crashed last weekend.
You got some Johnnies on here too.
Yep, Part Shop Max, lower control arms, tie rod ends, the front strut brace, everything. Pretty much all Part Shop Max. Front, rear, door control arms.
You got the
Max.
Part Shop Max seats.
Those were hard to get.
I hope they paying you for this.
I haven't seen that in a while. It's not every day you see a Power
Hey, I got
FC.
one Part Shop Max brake caliper.
Oh man,
Shout out to Power FC.
yo,
that's
that's like you any car you import is gonna probably.
It's got map sensor. It's map sensor.
Oh, so it's the updated Power
It's
FC.
the baller edition.
sick,
Baller
sick.
edition,
I
dog.
still got my house.
So Part Shop Max dual caliper rear setup.
Yep, I got one caliber from them and the other I got from the homie.
Z32
No, I'm
brakes?
trying to like piece it together here and there and save some money. So
Yeah, yeah,
I didn't
of
want to go
course.
too crazy. So this is like a budget build.
Yeah, you gotta, it's a budget build when you're building an S15
I mean, is
in the United States.
Yeah, $60,000 later.
I think my favorite part.
Look, it's got nicks and stuff here and there, but the boy Rodney's gonna fix it. Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite part is the handbrake because it's
Oh, yeah.
it's in
Oh,
the
yeah.
factory location.
Yeah, check
That's
that
the
out.
best part.
I don't like a stand-up one. I don't like that. What?
Tire pressure gauge. That's
Yeah, I
that's
stole that
fire,
from-
bro.
I stole that from your
Tell
boy
me that's
Rodney.
not fire, bro.
Yeah, I stole that from your.
Yo, you've got a tire
Hey,
pressure gauge?
that's fire, bro.
My man has
Hey,
TPMS.
Bluetooth,
Yeah.
bro. Bluetooth.
Listen, man, stop.
My man's
stealing
got
stuff from Rodney.
TPMS.
got everything.
Yo,
That's
he's
my boy. He
living,
hooked me up.
living
He
in
hooked you up or
2029.
you took it?
No. He hooked me up. He helped me out.
Yeah, it's wireless. That's what it is.
Come
Yeah.
on.
So
You got Bluetooth
screw
on
those
this?
on.
Unreal. That's pretty sick.
It responds back to the
Yo, I'm gonna need to
monitor.
get on that.
Bro, 80
Man, you don't
bucks.
need that. You always
Sometimes ignorance is bliss. Like I don't even want to know.
Right? 80
How you need
bucks,
one of
bro?
these when
80
your
bucks,
tires is always
Amazon.
flat, Chris?
Hey.
Every day you get 3 flats, bro.
You know what's cool? It's like even though you have this great technology, all your tire pressure is different.
Hey, we were gonna
At least
fix it,
but he
no
knows.
one had a compressor.
At least he knows.
We were gonna fix it, but no one had a compressor, bro.
what kind
He
of
got me
wheels
here
do
though.
you use?
DSKS.
Yeah, man, you want to talk about the sauce?
Yeah, the wheels are 18, 10 and a half in the back, and I think they're plus 15 offset. The front is
That's the good stuff.
18, 9 and a half, plus 12, I believe.
So you've got Johnny's on every corner.
Yep.
And we brought the gram lights just in case.
Just in case. Just in case it get crazy.
I heard it gets a little crazy
It gets
sometimes.
real crazy. It's gonna get crazy. The diff is
right?
no, it's a Nismo. It's the older Nismo 2A, the SS. I
Okay.
think it's the R34. So it's a little bit different. The half shafts are bigger, the 30 mil. So then I have 350Z axles.
Yeah, that's awesome. I kind of have the
Little
same
bit of
setup
upgrade.
in mind as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's a really good diff.
So I already busted one of the axles, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen now.
It should be good.
I'm just gonna send it. Full send, 100%. Oh, but I got D-Max body kit, Origin 55 mil, wide fenders, front and rear. And that's pretty much it. It's a basic setup.
It looks really good. Keep saying basic, man,
Dude,
but you got an
it's
S15. You got a S15 with all Part Shop Max suspension under it.
That's
the
basic.
basics
That's
that everyone
now.
has to do now to drift.
That's basic in 2019. When I got into drifting, this was like, I mean, what everybody was shooting for.
No one
Now
even
this
has
is
an
this
SR
is the
anymore.
normal car at the track.
2J or 1J is basic.
They really don't. I
So
sold
this
my
is just
SR
like
for big profits.
budget build.
Look at this guy. He got new shirt, new shoes, new pants, ain't got a belt. What kind of budget is this,
That's
my
that
guy?
Autobass.
I just realized the shirt
You need a
matches the
windshield,
car.
you got
Fire, right?
You got
And the
Skyline
shoes.
windshields?
I just
And
realized
the
every,
Skyline
he's
windshield.
pink on pink on
I
pink.
got Skyline windshields.
Gotta come out the house
Fortunately, all the
with the
S15
gold
windshields
watch.
came in broken, so I don't have any of those.
That's true.
But if you need a 32 window, I got you. 34 windows also allowed.
Damn.
All right, so if you want to get some basic, you want to show us how basic this car is.
Yeah.
You're not just gonna do a burnout, are you?
Nah.
He's trying to show us some basic skills.
Yeah, he wants to show us some.
Last night I stayed up late. I did an eyeball alignment, so I'm just gonna send it. It's told out a lot. I think I'll be fine. As long as I
Sounds
don't
good.
understeer, we're good.
Let's see what she does.
How you feeling off of that?
What are you doing?
I breathed in so much smoke that I threw up on my shirt.
I'll go at it again.
that's a wrap. Ready?
That's a wrap. We blew out something.
I think that's the radiator.
That was for sure.
That was the radiator. Turn it off.
Yeah, you're good, bro.
It's out. Woo.
I know it's on the manifold too.
It's heating, it's glowing. God damn, shorty. Hey, watch out, Corey.
You got it.
She's
You were getting it, dog. You were getting
Your
it.
car aged.
Oh my God, you let that shit eat. She was eating.
Hype man comes alive! Hype man's alive!
That's full sin right there.
That's the
Full
Hey,
sin.
that's a wrap!
That shit squirting, bro. I was like, ooh.